angelfish, so brave. B is for blue whale, what a sight. C is for clownfish, orange and white. D is for dolphin, jumping with delight. E is for eel, long and slim. F is for flounder, frogs to swim. G is for goby, tiny and quick. H is for hammerhead, a shark so slick. I swim with Sharky, A to Z, and the word of fun for you and me. Learning letters in the sea. Come on, let's dive. 1, 2, 3, day A. I is for icefish, a big eye. J is so wide. N is for jellyfish, watch it soar. How can you salmon, sweet and yummy now? Is for lobster, claws in tow. M is for manta ray, the manta ray gliding so wide. N is for nurse shark, long string hum. O is for octopus, 8 arms so neat. P is for pufferfish, puffed up and sweet. Let's twirl like the waves, clap like the seals. Sharky's here to show you how fun learning feels. Fast swim with Sharky, A to Z, and the word of fun for you and me. Learning letters in the sea. Come on, let's dive. 1, 2, 3. Q is for queen angelfish, so regal. R is for reef shark, always legal. S is for seahorse, swirling along. T is for turtle, steady and strong. U is for urchin, spiky but slow. V is for vermilion, snapper with a million feels. Whiz for whale shark, gentle and free. X is for X-ray, tetra, swimming with glee.